Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to TKrev Studio. Today is an exciting day because we have the Sony XG300 wireless speaker in the house. Look at this sleek packaging. It's already got me pumped to see what's inside. But before we dive into the unboxing, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon, so you won't miss any of our future tech reviews and unboxings. The box itself looks premium, and Sony always pays attention to detail. As I open this up, we're greeted with some paperwork. You know the drill, manuals, warranty info, all that good stuff. We'll set these aside for now. Ah, there she is! The Sony XG300 wireless speaker in all its glory. It's got a nice weight to it, indicating quality build. Take a look at these ports. We've got mentioned ports here, making it versatile in terms of connections. As for portability, it's not too heavy, making it great for taking on the go, perfect for picnics, the beach, or just moving around your home. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room, sound quality. I know you're eager to hear it, and so am I. Wow, that's impressive. The bass is punchy, mids are clear, and the highs are crisp. Thanks for joining me today for this unboxing of the Sony XG300 wireless speaker. Remember to hit that like button if you found this unboxing helpful. And if you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss our upcoming full review.